Eat less, live longer? A German study suggests reduced intake leads to a healthier, longer life. With rising living standards, the concern of not having enough to eat has become a thing of the past, replaced by the problem of overnutrition. A study published in The Lancet last year revealed that in China, health issues such as high blood sugar, high cholesterol, high body mass index, and high sodium intake, often linked to overnutrition, have become major factors affecting health and longevity. As overnutrition becomes more prominent, the idea of light fasting and the notion of eating less have gained popularity. There's even a popular saying, "Life is just 7 meals. Whoever finishes first leaves first." But is there a real connection between eating less and living longer? Should we all follow this practice? A study by German scientists might provide some insight. 1. Reducing food intake could extend lifespan by 10%. A paper published by the Max Planck Institute for Biology of Aging in Germany, in a Nature journal, found that reducing food intake can indeed extend lifespan. The research was based on an experiment where the team identified a protein called sestrin, which helps suppress appetite and reduce food intake. By genetically enhancing sestrin levels in experimental mice, scientists observed that these mice not only ate less, but also had higher sestrin levels, and were generally healthier than the control group. Their average lifespan was extended by nearly 10%. Although mice are not humans, this experiment marks a significant advancement in aging research. Further studies showed that reducing food intake was closely related to the activity of intestinal stem cells. In fruit flies, for instance, eating less reduced the activity of these cells, which in turn suppressed aging signals, leading to healthier and longer-lived fruit flies compared to the control group. The research team believes that this experiment demonstrates a significant link between eating less and better health. They hope to explore this connection further in future studies. 2. Eating less doesn't mean starving. Caloric restriction is key. Reading this, you might be tempted to start fasting. But don't rush. Eating less here doesn't mean extreme dieting. Instead, it's about a scientifically recognized concept called caloric restriction. Scientists do not advocate drastic diets, which might bring short-term weight loss, but can lead to malnutrition over time. The widely accepted method is the Mediterranean diet, which promotes low-fat, low-calorie foods while ensuring nutritional needs are met. David Sinclair, a professor at Harvard Medical School, is a proponent of the Mediterranean diet. He also recommends leveraging modern science to support health. Sinclair and his family have long taken supplements like coenzyme I, the key ingredient in Palovik, to support mitochondrial health. Over the years, at age 51, his physiological age is reportedly only 30, while his 81-year-old father is still actively participating in outdoor activities, like hiking, and can lift a 50-kilogram barbell. In an experiment conducted by the University of Tokyo, participants over 50 who took the supplement for 3 months saw improvements in bone density and muscle energy, effectively reversing their biological age by about 20 years. As a result, the Palovik supplement has become increasingly popular in places like Tokyo's Isetan department store. 3. Eat less, move more to reach the age of 110. The Mediterranean diet is just one example of a healthy eating approach. Those with pre-existing health conditions need to tailor their diet accordingly. For instance, those with digestive issues may need to limit their intake of plant-based foods recommended in the Mediterranean diet. Additionally, the diet emphasizes the importance of physical activity, encouraging people to exercise to burn off excess fat and calories. Of course, incorporating technological advancements like supplements or treatments is also recommended. For instance, Tel Aviv University found that 3 months of hyperbaric oxygen therapy can reverse aging indicators like telomere shortening. Although this treatment is currently only available to a select few, including celebrities like Justin Bieber, it's starting to gain traction in places like Shanghai. According to Wall Street investment bank Bank of America Merrill Lynch, modern biotechnology is doubling every 73 days, leading to exponential growth. Our lifespans and quality of life are expected to increase significantly soon. By controlling what we eat, staying active, and making use of cutting-edge technology, it's possible that many of us could live healthy, active lives well into our hundreds. Thank you for reading. Please share this with your circle, family, and friends might find it useful. Best wishes for your health and longevity.